It's very good. I think.
3、2、1。等一下啊，3、2、1，去！
不要了，姐姐，放一放。
А как сказать приятного аппетита на китайском?
Together is make Chinese dumpling. Hi, today is community is invite me together is make a different country is dumplings. Let's together is happy this holidays. Look here, it's many person is together make dumplings and from Russia, Yemen, Iraq, and China is different city. But together is check.
And today our another goal is to share our food from China, every region to with not our people to know what's a special food in China, all kinds of region. So the first part of today is to introduce yourself, and you can say my name is Zoe. I'm from Shanxi of China, and my hometown has special food. The same special as dumplings is 麻花。
我叫暖暖，大家可以叫我暖暖，来自中国黑龙江。然后我今天带的是我们家乡的地三鲜。
We need to go to the wrapping first, and I want you to introduce your feeling and Russia special.
So today we'll prepare our Russian beef for preparing garlic, onion, and a little water. Okay. So and then all the family are gathering together to prepare these
And
dishes.
make this.
Yes. Okay.
And this is
等一下，揭晓答案哦。芹菜叶，芹菜叶。对，他给他包的是伊拉克的。
哦，那好期待。
From Iraq.
这个是我们中国的
这个是我们的中国的饺子。
哎，里头是芹菜跟牛肉馅的。
这个东西我还用不来。
你这个用不来。对。你是怎么擀的嘞？哦，这样子擀的。对。哦，你是这样擀的。
你们那个是北方人的擀法吗？
哇，你们怎么这么厉害？
饺子皮。
看着就出来。
哎，就这么用芹菜，你看多好看，是不是？没关系。
这种包跟我们北方包的饺子
一样的呀。
我们北方就包饺子。
你看，你就这样子，你看你这个有大拇指，这点大拇指，看，
你这个是麦穗包，这个是什么？那个沙县小吃的那个蒸饺，对，
蒸饺都是这样的，
麦饺就是这样的。
我小时候我妈是这么包的，然后我忘了那台手机。这么厉害，看了一下，刚看一下。
年轻人就是学得快，聪明，现学现弄都会。
现在往抖音打扫，我们就多了嘛。
直接放在
这没有勺，
直接放在这个。
This for me, I make this from my hometown Xi'an dumplings. It's very good. And from is Zhejiang, China, is Zhejiang province, is Li Shui, 三粉饺. And there is another is not Chinese person is make this different country is dumplings. And there is how is a Russian person is make this dumplings. If from is a Russian is dumpling. Now it's already it's make dumplings finish. Wow, it look like very beautiful. This dumplings look like it's China. It's money. It's before it's old money. And yuanbao. It's beautiful. And for the Russian person and with the Chinese person together is make.
Yes, it's very good.
Okay. Let's together is try it is good or no. Because it's in the meat is inside have is onion and beef and the different is vegetable. From is China Xi'an dumplings.
冬至世界饺，拼出世界味。
好，谢谢，很好。
可以，很好。
It's from Iraq. Look like this. I don't know what's name. Baby. Yes. Because this is very beautiful. It's many person is taking picture for this cake. Yes, it's beautiful. Looks like it's very different pictures. Let's each try. Different. It's inside have chocolate. Very good. His name is Yuan. Oh, this baby is beautiful. Very cute. There we have is milk tea. First try is this dumpling. Yeah, it's good. Try. And inside you have is onion and meat and beef. And give me is soup. And maybe from is Yemen. I like it. It's from Yemen soup. Soup I also want to try. And first try is from green color. Yes, tang. Soup tang. This color is green color dumplings.
Ой, возьми мне тоже, пожалуйста. Хорошо, я хочу борюсь.
Your is mouth is inside have is vegetable and meat and beef. Delicious, very delicious. Very delicious.
И здесь тоже.
Okay. Next we gonna try. This is from Iraq side. Look, this inside have a cheese.
Sister, you give us recipe, okay? Yeah.
It's different, amazing. This is milk tea.
Надо переводчика. Очень вкусно.
加一个，再品尝。
Mother and baby. It's from Russia.
We are from Russia.
不是俄罗斯。You live China is how long time? You can speak Chinese.
我会说一点中文。
Before you study?
30 years ago.
Oh, before study a little. I very like this is Yemen soup.
这个还挺特别的。
This is milk tea. It's very good. This soup is different. I think is inside have is many inside. I don't know what's inside have what. Next year is in March because it's near is China New Year. You know?
Yes, I will give you my number.
Yes, I have.
Okay. So you send me an information.
I have is many is from Russian students.
What is your name?
Art. I'm very happy because I meet my hometown friend. It's the new friend. From Sam is Shanxi, but we are different city. I'm from Xi'an. She is from Baoji. My sister is married in the Baoji is boy. It's Sam hometown. What's your name? My name is Zhao Yingjuan. Every day is work. I'm very tired, so I don't need to work. Now as we are together, it's finished. It's now it's go home. Bye bye. See you next time. Hi baby. Hello. Hi, you're cute. She is very shy.